Hello everyone, I would like to formally welcome you all to one of the courses of ELTA. This course is all about teaching English language to Cambridge students, and the course code is 1123. You can see here once you log in, then you can see your own profile. In order to find out the course, you'll just click on dashboard and click on ELTA. Here you'll find out the welcome note, and this welcome note would appear for each and every unit. In the welcome note, the aims for this course are mentioned, that how it's going to help you. Along with it, you can find out the dates and titles for each of the module. Although it's written write a reply, but you are not required to reply. It's up to you. If you reply it up, yeah, I would answer definitely, but if you won't, it's not needed. Unless and until you're instructed to do something, you are not compelled to do it. Okay, once you are done with it, you'll go back to the course and find out what you have assigned with. So here you'll find out the task. Unit 1 introduction, approximately 2 hours expected to be invested, but it is self-paced, up to you that how many you want to invest. You can slow down your speed, you can speed up. Just open up the first link, you'll find out learning objectives. There are 10 minutes reserved for you for this task to read out them. It's going to give you a clear idea that what you're going to learn in this unit. Can write a reply is mentioned, but you are not required to answer anything because there is no question written. So you'll just click on next. Now this is task 1, in which you have to introduce yourself. I have done as an example so that you have a clear idea how to do it and what to do. There are 2 parts for task 1. Part 1 is expected to be finished till Wednesday, and part 2 is expected to be finished till Sunday. The purpose of segregation is to make sure that you have ample time to respond to one another. And this collaboration is much needed because you are going to definitely learn a lot from one another. So if you want to answer it, you will click on write a reply. And if for the part B, when you have to comment on your peer's introduction, you have to go find out at the end of the comment of your peer reply. Just open up and write it out here. Whatever you would like to write, you will just write it out, and then you will post it from here, post reply. For this activity, you have to comment on the introduction of 2 of your peers. One of the participants, Ms. Fareen, is already done with it. This is actually an example for you. You can just write a reply to Fareen, or you can write your own introduction. Once you are done, you'll just click next for the next activity. For activity 2, you can see that part 1 Wednesday, you have to watch a video, and you can see that the link of the video is embedded. You just click and you'll find out what it's all about and answer it accordingly. Okay, next activity is task 3, assessment objectives. It might take 30 minutes of yours, and you can see again that the links are blue, they are underlined. These are hyperlinks. You'll just click them and everything would be open up. So there would be a test, there would be flashcards, there would be reading material, everything at your disposal. The last thing in which you have to record your responses in the Google Doc. You'll find out when you click this link, you'll find out a document opening. This is automatically saved, so whatever you keep on writing, it would be saved. Please make sure you write your name so your response would be easily traced. Again, once you are done with it, click next. Task 4, it again required a video watch. Watch the video, attempt the quiz, and then the last part is mentioned here. Review your list of questions. So you may write out the list or the questions somewhere in your diary, on a paper, whatever you would like to have. But here you are going to, in this forum, in write a reply, you'll just answer or just post one of the questions so the peers can write a reply to it. Again, click next. This is the last part where you are required to reflect on your learning. There are 2 questions mentioned. You would answer one of them. And again, write a reply. Where write a reply is written, you'll just click on it and mention or respond, write the answer here. Once you are done with it, you are done with everything. So what you can do is just target all the activities for Wednesday first. When it's done, the next thing to do is the part B or part C, where the tasks are to be submitted till Sunday. I hope this is going to help you, and you are going to learn with time. So don't get stressed. Just be more focused. Best of luck.